Hey, I'm Rob Menzies and welcome back to my channel. Today we have absolutely something special for you, and it's something that I've actually waited a decade to be able to show you. So today we are here at Portimao circuit in Portugal. I'm here with a big group of friends from Southwest Bikers, and in particular two friends of mine that I'm out on track with today, which is a friend of mine Rick and a friend of mine Jay. Now this is a really important video to me, and let me explain to you why. Actually, these two friends are someone that have helped me since the beginning of my bike riding expedition for the last decade or so, and I'm going to start showing you a video up here now. Now this video was actually taken by another friend, Gav, who was at Cadwell Park, and basically he was out with Rick and Jay on track, and the three of them were just at the same level of ability. They were riding around and basically just having a fantastic time at Cadwell Park. This has been on YouTube since 2014. It's something, quite frankly, that I've watched probably a million times, and it's something that I've always wanted to be able to do. Now unfortunately both of these two riders have been such fantastic riders that quite frankly I've never been able to keep up with them until now. So what you're just about to see in a moment is we're going to be going out on Portimao track. We're going to have a session here. This is actually mixed over a couple of sessions where basically you see me following along and just basically riding with both Rick and Jay. Now Jay is on a pretty new Honda Fireblade, so he's on a 1000cc bike, and that's a sports bike. Rick is on a Superduke, so he's on the 1290 Superduke, and I myself on a Smallboys Track hire bike. So basically I'm out on the Kawasaki ZX636, so I'm on a 600. So long and the short of it, they got the power on me on the straights, and I've got basically a bit more in the corners, and the braking is kind of where I make up most of it. Now just before we do head off, and again you're probably still watching this little video play out up here, I do just want to talk to you about a couple of promotions I've got for you, because I do have this fantastic offer voucher, and again I'll stick the link down below as I usually do, for my GoPro Airbag Vest. Now I will never go out on track without the GoPro Airbag Vest. It is absolutely fantastic, and should the worst happen, you just know you're protected should you end up with a low side or a high side. Would highly recommend it if you don't have it built into your suit, and gives you a ton of protection. So do go and check it out, and is also fantastic if you happen to be a road rider, a track rider, or even if you ride horses. It's worthwhile taking a look. So do go and check that one out. Now again, I mentioned earlier on that I'm on the Kawasaki 636 from Smallboys. This is an absolutely fantastic bike, and is a brilliant way to be able to ride bikes on track. So again, I will put a link for you in the description down below. If you have ever thought about hiring a bike so that you can go and ride on track, and having something that's basically set up and ready to go, and for want of a better phrase, having your own pit crew, then you really want to go and check this one out. So if you're UK based, this one could be the one for you. So without further ado, it's time to crack on. So here we go, we're heading into Portimao now. We're going to zoom out, and you'll get to see myself, Rick and Jay just having a load of fun on track. As I say, I've waited 10 years for this. I hope you enjoy it as much as I did. hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please remember to not only like the video but also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and see you again soon.